Welcome to BMSNETPRO Academy. In this course, we are going to transform Book 1 of the BAS Manager Handbook into practical professional training. This orientation explains how the course works, what learners will be expected to do, and how each module connects to real building automation work. Welcome to the BAS Manager Foundations. This course is not here to simply repeat the book chapter by chapter. The goal is to turn the book into a realistic learning experience. You will learn how a BS manager thinks, how to connect technical work to the mission of the building, and how to make decisions that protect safety, reliability, and operational performance. This course is for BAS technicians, controls engineers, commissioning professionals, facility managers, building operators, energy professionals, and leaders who are responsible for the performance of building automation systems. Some learners may be very strong technically. Others may be responsible for management, risk, or operations. The purpose is to connect these worlds together. A mature BAS program is not built by software alone. It is built by capable people using evidence, standards, process, and good judgment. Book 1 is organized as a progression. First, we define the profession. Then we build the practice, systems thinking, reliability, risk, ethics, governance, and leadership. Finally, we move into the program. Maturity, the first 90 days, performance measurement, and the recurring management cadence. Think of the course as a journey from technical awareness to management capability. Each module is designed with a consistent learning rhythm. First, the avatar introduces the concept, then the learner sees examples from real BAS work. Next, the learner is asked to think through a scenario, answer knowledge checks, and complete a practical assignment. The goal is not memorization. The goal is applied judgment. Scene 5. The teaching method is simple. Explain, demonstrate, apply, check, and reinforce. First, we explain the idea. Then we demonstrate how it appears in a building. Then we apply it to a realistic situation. Next, we check understanding. Finally, we reinforce the lesson by connecting it back to the responsibilities of a BAS manager. This is how we move from knowledge to judgment. One of the main ideas in Book 1 is that a BAS manager does not merely manage controllers. A BAS manager manages risk, reliability, information, people, and the future performance of the building. This mindset changes how we interpret alarms, how we plan projects, how we document changes, and how we decide what matters first. Inside the LMS, each module should include the PowerPoint slides, reading material, downloadable tools, a quiz, a practical assignment, and a short summary. Learners will prove understanding in several ways. They will complete quizzes, practical assignments, a final exam, and a capstone project. A passing score of 80% is recommended. The goal is not to make the course difficult for its own sake. The goal is to confirm that the learner can apply BAS management thinking in realistic situations. Professional expectations. The first book includes the BAS Manager's Oath. In the course, this becomes more than a statement. It becomes the professional culture behind every module. We place safety before convenience. We make decisions based on verified evidence. We respect technicians, operators, engineers, contractors, and every member of the facilities team. We document changes so future professionals can understand and support them. Scene Production Guidance for Production, Module 00 can be uploaded as several short lessons. Use the first part as the orientation video, then a shorter professional expectations video. Then provide the module guide, the quiz, and the learner commitment activity. Keep the learner experience clear and simple. This completes the course orientation. In the next module, we begin the foundation of the entire program. Why buildings need automation. The key question is not what controller are we using. The key question is what must this building enable people and the organization to accomplish. That question will guide every module that follows.